So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add testimonials in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up your website builder. On there you can see the layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalize, and so on. Now on here to add testimonials, previously on Duda you could have gone to widgets and just typed out testimonial. Since you can't do that anymore, you will need to do it through HTML, or you will just need to add a section. So let's just scroll down a bit and go ahead and add a section to Duda. So you can see it through here and just create a section and add testimonials through HTML. So after that, just go to a third-party testimonial donut, for example, which will give you they will give you a template and you can sign up for a free trial. They can give you some templates for testimonials or some reviews that you will need to add. After that, just set up your testimonial through there, and afterwards you go to plus sign here, which will be widgets. Go to HTML. We can just add it here, and afterwards just paste the code right here. So it says add your custom HTML here. Go ahead and paste the code that you were given on that testimonial donut or some other third-party tool that you've been using to create your testimonial section in Duda. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.